Welcome to our discussion on cutting-edge AI training environments, where large language models design unique simulations for smaller learning agents. I'm really excited about this. So, we're essentially talking about using an LLM as a sort of teacher that sets up training worlds for a student AI, right? Exactly. It's like having an expert architect crafting specialized levels for the trainee.
Yeah.
Each environment tailored to build specific skills. That sounds so innovative. So how does this simulation actually kick off? Well, the process begins with defining a game-like simulation with clear rules, goals, and challenges, where the LLM generates multiple varied scenarios. So, the LLM creates a little universe of challenges, giving the AI a dynamic space to learn in? Yes, exactly. Each environment is designed to push the agent toward learning through trial and error, using reinforcement learning to quickly lock in what works. Reinforcement learning. The idea is that the agent gets immediate feedback, right? Like rewards for good moves? Absolutely. The system ties an action to its reward feedback so that every step is, informative. It accelerates the learning process by reinforcing effective behaviors. I see, it's kind of like how we learn from our own mistakes and successes, just much faster. Exactly. The simulation is, meticulously designed to ensure that the student AI isn't wandering aimlessly, but is consistently challenged with specific objectives. That makes sense, but, isn't there a risk that the agent could become too specialized if it's only trained in these controlled environments? That's a fair concern. However, the system is engineered to create a multitude of environment variants, each targeting different aspects of learning, ensuring the agent develops a broad skill set. So despite the very targeted challenges, the training remains diverse and comprehensive. Exactly. It's like training for a triathlon where you run, cycle, and swim, each discipline finely honed, yet contributing to overall fitness. That's a great analogy. But what about the unpredictability factor? If the LLM mostly uses similar templates, wouldn't the environments become too, I don't know, predictable? Good point. The system actually injects a lot of randomness into the design process.
Yeah.
Even with a consistent framework, the details shift each time, keeping the challenges fresh and engaging. So it's dynamic. The unpredictability makes sure the agent keeps on adapting intelligently. Exactly. It strikes a balance between structure and variation. The LLM leverages its domain understanding to produce scenarios that change not just superficially, but in their underlying strategic layers. It's like a musician improvising on a standard tune, adding new twists while still following the core melody. Precisely. And in this simulation, that melody is the set of rules and objectives, while the improvised parts are the variable challenges that force the AI to stay agile. It's an elegant solution. I'm curious, what happens if the student AI consistently struggles with a particular challenge in these simulations? Well, the design includes an adaptive feedback loop. If the agent is having difficulty, the simulation can recalibrate, either by easing specific challenges or by emphasizing alternative paths that build the necessary skills. So, essentially, it's like having a flexible tutor who can adjust lessons on the fly based on how you're doing. Exactly. It personalizes the learning curve, ensuring the agent is neither overwhelmed nor under-challenged. I really like that idea. Yet I do, respectfully challenge one aspect here. Relying so heavily on the LLM to design these training scenarios, doesn't that diminish the importance of human oversight? Especially when it comes to ensuring ethical standards and avoiding hidden biases. That's an important critique. While the LLM is remarkably powerful in generating these environments, human experts still play a critical role in validating and fine-tuning the setup. It's a collaboration that marries machine efficiency with human judgment. Right. The human touch remains essential to catch any unintended issues. Exactly. Transparency and oversight are key to maintaining a system that's both effective and ethically sound. Moving back to the technical side, how does the LLM create such varied training scenarios? Is it more like using a fixed template, or is it, completely dynamic? It's definitely more dynamic. The LLM employs its deep understanding of the domain to generate bespoke challenges each time. ensuring that even if the overall objective remains the same, the paths to that objective can vary significantly. It's remarkably versatile. That versatility seems to be the secret sauce, carving out unpredictable yet structured learning journeys. Exactly. And that diversity is what ultimately leads to better generalization for the AI. The agent isn't just memorizing moves, it's building adaptive strategies that work in a variety of situations. I like that approach. It's akin to an athlete training under different weather conditions, ensuring they're ready for any scenario in competition. Precisely. And as the student AI masters these challenges, the system is set up for rapid iteration. Learning from performance is continuous, and adjustments are made in near real time. The loop of feedback is swift and efficient. That definitely pushes the envelope in AI training and seems like it could accelerate progress in many fields. Absolutely, it opens up a whole new frontier for AI development where simulation-based learning enhances, rather than mimics, real-world complexity. And with such adaptability, the potential applications go beyond just gaming scenarios. We might see impacts in autonomous systems, robotics, and beyond. Exactly. The principles here can be extended to any field where adaptive learning is crucial. It's a foundational shift in how we approach AI training. It's incredibly fascinating how this approach merges high-level planning with ground-level learning. Agreed. Thanks for diving into this with such energy. It's been a real deep dive into the future of AI training methods. Absolutely, it's been a super engaging talk. I'm really looking forward to seeing how this method evolves and what breakthroughs it leads to. For sure, until our next discussion, keep exploring and staying curious.